attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Miwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Don't look down!
Why not? Whoa. I'd rather stop and fight the terrors one by one than climb another step.
Be my guest.
Let's just stick to the plan and scatter when we reach the plateau. They'll never catch us.
Miwa, look out!
You are not part of the plan.
I see stairs, I see terrors. What I should be seeing is Grub. Where are you?
Coming!
The terrors are so close to catching the elements, and you're gonna make me miss it.
Did you say you missed me? That's sweet.
What? What are you talking about? Let's just get up those stairs.
Ooh, scary stairs. It's nice and safe right here. Ooh.
Finally! Well, at least the hard part's over. Now it's smooth sailing.
Smooth flying, you mean? That's the only way we're getting past that wall.
Okay, so we knock on the door and charm our way through. I offer you greetings on behalf...
Get to the point. You're interrupting my nap.
Sorry. We just need to cross through your village and...
Impossible. Many centuries have passed since an outsider set foot in our village. Today will be no different.
Huh?
We do not ask you to disrupt tradition lightly. We are on a quest to reunite the 5 elements.
Quest somewhere else.
Huh?
There's no going back. We go through the village. It's the only way.
Oh.
Whoa!
Nice catch.
It would take the power of 1,000 suns to get through that wall.
Quickly, this way.
1,000 suns or a girl?
More to the left. Still nothing. No, wait. That's it. Hello? Hello?
Are you there, General? The reception here is terrible.
So is your ability to capture the elements. How could you let them destroy the stairs?
Well, as I said, General, your terrors were closest when it happened.
You better not have damaged any of my terrors.
Only 1 or 2.
Don't wreck any more. They don't just fall out of the sky.
Of course, General.
Repair those stairs and have those elements captured by the time I arrive.
Who are you and why are you helping us?
Shh! Everyone in the village is asleep. If you wake them, we'll all be in trouble.
Lucky them. I haven't been able to sleep in a week, and you still haven't answered my question.
My name is Ling Ming. I will show you the way out, but first I need your help with my grandmother.
What's wrong with her?
She is sick and I can't help her. Without my grandmother, I have no one.
What makes you think we can help?
She began to tell me that only someone with a special power can help her. When I saw your powers at the wall...
We can't stop. General Boo is close behind and we have a quest.
Please, I don't know what else to do.
It will take General Boo some time to fix the staircase.
And we owe Lin Ning for letting us into the village.
What? My stomach is hungry.
Okay.
You see, she is unconscious and no one in the village has been able to help her.
There is a tea we can try. Do you have a kettle?
Mm-hmm.
healing powers.
More?
No, that is enough. Now, all we can do is wait.
Cliff climb equals nap time.
Not me. I tried, but I can't sleep.
Why not?
All this running and climbing has left me feeling ungrounded. I must reconnect with the earth. You sleep. I'll watch over your grandmother.
I'm in paradise. Or not.
Close. You're in the dream realm.
It's just like the village.
The dream realm extends for miles around the village. Anyone who falls asleep within this area enters the dream realm.
So, I'm asleep?
What's new?
We're all asleep. Here in the dream realm, all your dreams come true. Even bad dreams? Nothing bad ever happens in the village, so we've never had bad dreams. That's why we don't allow outsiders. You're afraid we'll bring bad dreams? Yes. It's so beautiful here that everyone in the village sleeps as much as they can.
Huh? Oh, do you blame them? Who wouldn't want all this?
Sure, but they're just dreams. They're not real.
La 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 la! I'm not listening to Xiaoyan!
I'm not letting you hold me back anymore. Now move.
We've been climbing for hours. Can't you go further?
We're still at the bottom, you exasperating invertebrate.
Oh, yeah. Well, at least there's somewhere to rest.
Well, I'm not fixing these stairs myself. Now, fix the stairs and don't you wake me up.
Can't you have normal dreams like everyone else?
It's fun, even if they are only dreams.
I suppose. And Ling Ling's grandmother will soon be well.
As soon as we wake up, we're out of here. We leave Boo and his minions in our dust.
Admit it, this place really is a dream come true.
Not anymore.
Lilo and Grub!
We've got you now.
Not quite.
Charge or eat steamed dumplings? What'll it be?
Yum.
Grub, could you give me a hand here? On second thoughts, now we're talking. What the?
More steamed dumplings? What?
Steamed dumplings? I woke you up because I thought you were having a bad dream.
We were in the dream realm and we were fighting Flamo and Grub.
The dream realm?
We'll explain later. Do you think they followed us here?
You had them in your hand and still they escaped.
It was all a dream. When you sleep near this mountain, you seem to enter a dream realm, and that's where we saw the elements.
There's no point going back to Dream Realm to catch the elements if they can escape simply by waking up. We need another strategy. Think, Boo, think. That's it! We get the villagers to do the catching for us.
And how are we going to do that, General Boo?
With a little of the right kind of help.
The tea isn't helping. She won't wake up. We can't be the healers she spoke of. But you have to be. You have to be.
It's okay. We'll help you find the healer with the special powers.
If only we could ask my grandmother.
She's asleep.
Raindrop, if you're trying to be funny.
No, think about it. If Lin Ming's grandmother is asleep here, she must be awake in the dream realm. Maybe her dream self knows.
He's right.
Thank you.
Yes, we must go to sleep and find her in the dream realm.
Way ahead of you.
Yes, it is I! Back Baku, purveyor of dreams, merchandiser of the mind, steward of delightful delusions. At your service, my general.
It's not your dreams I want, it's your nightmares.
Nightmares? Have you come to the right place? Behold. Now, here's a nice little nightmare. Hardly used, still plenty of sleepless, screaming nights in this little baby. I was hoping you'd say that. I have before you now... Wait a minute, you all have life insurance, don't you?
Huh?
We'll talk later. Normally, I don't deal with the underinsured, but this'll leave you begging for a lobotomy. More, you almost say. I came across these little beauties in a graveyard of the damned some years back. It pains me to even think of selling them.
I'll take them all.
Fantastic. I'll throw in delivery for almost free. Where do you want them to go?
Into that villager's dream realm.
Huh? I thought you were serious customers. This is a waste of time. That their village has had nothing but good dreams for centuries, and nothing can change that. So long, suckers.
Deliver them, or I'll be your worst nightmare.
Nap time.
Good. But before you nod off, I have some specific instructions for you.
There's no sign of her anywhere.
We can't waste any more time. We have to ask the other villagers for help.
And risk making them angry?
Excuse me, sir. We're looking for Lin Ming's grandmother.
Intruders! How did you all get here?
Does anybody ever listen to me?
We're trying to help Lin Ming and her grandmother.
No, you cannot be here. It is forbidden.
Outsiders disobey our laws and steal our happiness. Please, no! My grandmother won't wake up! They are trying to help me find her!
Make them leave, Ling Ming, or we will have no choice but to banish you.
Please let us help. Where's the harm in that?
Had to ask.
Nightmares! Our village is doomed!
And it's all your fault!
What's he doing?
Maybe he's hungry.
Let him do his job. Any moment now, the villagers will drive the elements from the village, right into the hands of my waiting terrors.
Can't sleep when I want to, can't stay awake when I need to. You guys don't know how lucky you are.
My nightmares will tear your spirits from your bodies. These nightmares have followed the elements and will live in your village as long as the elements are here.
We're doomed!
Send the elements out of your village, and I will call off my nightmares.
I keep telling you all that they can't hurt you.
Only one way to get the villagers out of here. Wake them up!
Wake up!
You come out, or we're coming in! Lin Ming, you have destroyed us by bringing them into our village! Your grandmother would be ashamed of you!
Lin Ming brought us here to help save a life, and she was only able to do it because you were asleep at your post.
Ask Ling Ming's poor grandmother, who she is more ashamed of.
We love your grandmother, but we are scared. They must go. Fear only hurts us if we let it. Let them help my grandmother, or we are no better than the villains at our gates.
Lin Ming, your grandmother's breath is beginning to fail.
Quickly, help us find her in the dream realm.
Why haven't those villagers kicked the elements out yet?
Maybe Baku knows.
Where are my elements?
They woke the villagers up before my nightmares could finish the job.
Your nightmares weren't scary enough. Don't you have anything scarier?
Only this. It's extremely dangerous. It's everyone's worst nightmare. This nightmare is different for different people. It's whatever scares a person the most.
Give it to me. Those villagers are going to be sorry they didn't act the first time.
But what if the elements just wake everyone up again?
This magic violin will play the most boring songs of all eternity. No one can stay awake through its music.
We have to search again. Everyone take a different direction than last time. Look everywhere.
Right, Grub. You play it. And when I tug on the string, you stop playing and wake me up. And now it's time for Sleepy Bobo. Could you possibly be any more annoying?
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble getting to sleep.
Grub, play the...
We've looked here already.
No luck. There's no one else here but that little girl.
Who looks like she's fading away.
She looks like Lin Ming.
Grandma, you're a little girl.
Yes, Lin Ming. I like to come here when I dream.
You have to tell me the name of the healer with the special power.
Why, it's you, Lin Ming. It always has been.
Me?
Only you have the special healing power of a granddaughter's love.
I don't understand. The tea will work, Ling Ming. But you need to be the one to give it to her. We must wake up!
I'm trying to.
This is no time to stay asleep.
Something's wrong. We can't wake up.
Huh? That music, it's so...
Niwa, what happened?
The last thing I heard was the most boring violin music drifting up from General Boo's camp. The next thing I knew, I was here.
General Boo must be using it to keep us asleep.
Welcome to the eternal nightmare. No one will wake until the people of this village deliver the elements to me. Let the darkness prevail.
We faced these nightmares before. We already know that they can't hurt us. And they're not all that smart.
No, but I am, and I've got a little gifty here. This is your worst nightmare, and there's no escaping it until the villagers hand you all over to me.
This is only a nightmare. It can't hurt me. This is only a nightmare. But I can't just be another drop in the ocean.
Is it just me? Or is it cold in here? Oh, it's just me. And I'm naked. No! Give me some clothes. Give me some clothes. Please, I beg you. No, stop. Don't look at me. Let me go.
You're not that smart after all, General Boo. This is hardly my worst nightmare.
I now pronounce you man and wife.
Can I kiss the bride? Kiss me.
No, I can't be this far away from the earth. It's getting hot.
The nightmare isn't real. It is only my fear. I will not run from fear. You can only hurt me if I let you, and I won't let you. It worked. Time to return General Boo's gifty.
I know this peach pit and catapult. I use them to shoot down the golden dragon. This is no nightmare. This is my happiest memory. Oh! No hard feelings, right? I would never do anything to hurt you. Then again...
It sure is.
Looks more like your worst nightmares than mine. Your tricks don't scare me. No!
No! My beautiful Tommy! What have you done?
Just giving you a taste of your own medicine.
Taste? I wish you hadn't have said taste. I'm starving. If I don't eat something, I'll waste away to nothing.
Well, there's plenty of food for thought here.
Not bad, but I'm still starving. Oh, yes. Wonderful. So tasty. More.
Nice work, Raindrop. My worst nightmare is really coming true. Look! Winning here will mean nothing if my grandmother disappears.
But how are we going to wake up?
This is all Boo's plan. He must have a way to wake himself up. Having fun?
I'm going to get you for this!
Yeah, sure you will. Here's a little hint. If you ever want to escape that nightmare of yours, all you'll have to do is wake up.
Grump, stop playing! Stop playing!
I've got it, General. You're giving me a signal. Hi, General.
Give me that!
I think I'm gonna stay awake doing my naps from now on.
I hope you are right, Grandma. I can't see how a little girl like me can have the special power to heal you. Grandma! You are my dream come true.
You can tell a lot about a person from their dreams.
You can tell more from how they live their dreams. She is right, Grandma. The village must stop living in a dream world and start living in the real world.
But how?
We must open our village to newcomers. If it wasn't for these outsiders, I mean friends, then I never would have found you.
You are right, Lin Ming. I am proud of you.
I don't want to go to school, Mom. I feel sick.
Sick? You're lucky to be alive, and you can forget about being paid for the lousy job you did.
I feel sick.
Are you sure you can't stay?
Thank you, but we're plenty rested and we have to keep one step ahead of General Boo.
Thank you for helping to heal my grandmother.
Our pleasure.
We have to get going. But where is Niwa?